Are you skeptical about real estate investment due to previous scam issue, demolition, buying into the wrong property, or even buying acquisited property? Yeah, I know that how awful that feels, and that is why I'm here to help you. Hi, my name is Zainab Balogun, a real estate consultant and realtor with almost half a decade of experience, and I help individuals navigate through the real estate investment easy and seamless. Whether you're looking towards property investment or exploring all other options when it comes to real estate, or you want to just use real estate as a vehicle for wealth creation, I got you covered. On this channel, you should expect videos on how to spot fake property, how to invest rightly into real estate, land updates, houses updates, and all other real estate investment firms that you might not even be aware of. So hit on the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our weekly updates. Cheers.